Hello guys, it's Victor Isibo once again of Victor Isibo Reviews YouTube channel, helping you with due diligence with make money online and offline opportunities. Stuff like this is what you like. Ensure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel and make sure you turn on the bell notification icon, put it on all, so that you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not an investment advisor. I shall take no responsibility for any losses you make or any profits you make as a result of you interacting with my content. Now that I've gotten that disclaimer out of the way, guys, we are on the Bamboo app. A lot of people have said recently that, Victor, you only talk about scam and scam and scam and scam. Tell us about legit. The truth of the matter is that everybody telling me that they want to hear legit, they are not ready for legit. Many people have the get-rich-quick mentality. When you tell them legit, they don't pay attention. On my YouTube channel, I have reviewed applications and websites that are legitimate. But everybody turns a blind eye because what they are looking for is not there. Because those websites, those applications cannot get you rich by next month if you start today. Investment is a marathon. It is not a sprint. Tell me, the richest men in the world, how many of them got rich and sustained their wealth by Ponzi scheme or by gambling? If you acquire wealth via Ponzi scheme or gambling, you are going to lose that wealth in a matter of few years. So let us adopt the mentality of approaching investment like a marathon. Now, we are talking about Bamboo app. I don't know why many of you are sleeping on this. I don't know why many of you are sleeping on the Bamboo app, where you have the opportunity from any corner of the world to invest in U.s stocks, some of the best stocks in the world. Okay? Now, like from Nigeria now, you can buy U.s stocks. Just look at, see, with a minimum of just $20, you can start buying U.s stocks. The application is loaded, guys. I cannot do a complete review. See, they have a column. You see, they have a column for top movers. They will recommend individual stocks to you that you can buy. They will give you analytics of how well that stock has been faring over XYZ period of time. For Nigerians, apart from you investing in U.s stocks, you're earning in dollars. You know that your naira continues to devalue against the U.s dollars. See, investing in stocks is something that your next generation are sure to enjoy and inherit. Nobody will inherit your Ponzi scheme because it will not last that long. Now we're talking about verified companies. Let us look at some of the available stocks. Okay, see featured stocks here. Look at Apple. A lot of you have iPhones. Newer versions of iPhones keep coming out every time and they keep selling out. Okay? $156.54 per share, per stock. You can buy. Keep it there. See, the approach you're supposed to use with Bamboo is the savings approach. More like you are saving. And there is perfect ease of depositing and withdrawing. You're depositing in Naira, and your Naira is converted to the prevalent exchange rate of the US dollars. And when you're withdrawing as well, you withdraw based on the prevalent rate of the US dollars. See, you can buy stocks with any amount of money that you have. Forget that they say one stock of your favorite company is bigger than your entire capital. There are several micro units of stock that you can own. Have a 1-year plan. Have a 1-year plan. You can say that, okay, every week I am going to be depositing $20, or every 2 weeks I'm going to be depositing $20 on Bamboo and buy a particular stock. Buy it and leave it there. Buy it and leave it there. Wealth creation and building, it takes years. It is this Ponzi scheme mentality that makes us think that we can get rich overnight. And this get rich quick mentality is the reason why Ponzi scammers are always coming up with something new every time. Let us click on Apple. Let us see. Now the market has closed, but you can see everything you need to know about that stock. They will tell you. They will even give you their own opinion. Okay? They will even give you their own opinion, like, this is how it is, oh, this is what we think. Then you can just buy it. Okay? They will give you all the gist, all the inside scoop of the company, up to the financials, how the market opened, how it closed, then the news surrounding that particular stock. Then you will see the buy button here. Nobody should even try to message me and ask me questions about Bamboo. It's only when you are lazy that you'll be asking questions. Because if you take your time and you read through the application, it is very easy for you to do whatever you want to do. Anything that you need to do on the app, there's a button for it. Just click on it. Then follow through with the prompt. You will see. Then you have the flexibility to decide which of the stocks you want to buy. Don't ask anybody any questions. Make your own decisions by yourself by reading all the things that you need to read. Another good tip about how to know the stock you are going to buy is that, which products do you patronize? See, Amazon is here. These are solid companies. Walt Disney, look at them, they are here. The cartoon giants, they are here. Which company is not here? Google is here. Can you buy Google stock and you are worried that, oh, you are going to lose money? Even if you lose money momentarily, it's a marathon. You're going to break even eventually. Create an investment that your next generation can inherit, and wherever you are, if by that time you're already old and you're gone, they'll be praying for you. Your lifespan is longer than the Ponzi scheme you are doing. So your next generation are not even going to benefit anything from that Ponzi scheme. See, Google is here. Buy it. All the babes that love to watch Netflix, look at Netflix here. Buy it now. You can buy any amount you want to buy. Forget the amount of one, which is $188 and a little fraction. They can sell it to you in micro units. You can buy $10 of this particular stock. And this amount here is nothing compared to what people lose to Ponzi schemes. Over 100 billion naira was lost to 86FB. Same thing with MMM. You see individuals investing like 20 million, 30 million. These individuals that have this bulk sum of money, why don't you come and buy certified U.s stocks from regulated and 100% certified brokers? It hurts me. It hurts me that people have this. Look at Shopify. Shopify is here. Buy their stock and go to sleep. Have a long-term plan. Think 2 years. Think 1 year. Think 2 years. Think 5 years. You will grow this wealth. Look at Tesla. A company that has built a car that drives itself. You're not buying the stock of a company that has built a car that drives itself, but you are giving your money to faceless criminals. The richest man in the world is the owner of this company, Elon Musk. And as for the Bamboo app, I have done a review on Bamboo before. I've done reviews on Bamboo before. Bamboo is legitimate, registered, regulated not only in Nigeria, in the US as well. Their partners are regulated in the US. Ponzi mentality will make you to be asking, how much will I be making every month? That is not how to approach investments. The investment climate, it is decided by the laws of demand and supply. It is only Ponzi scheme that will give you a guaranteed return on investment every month, which eventually they can't keep up with, because businesses don't work like that. They will give you news. There's even a learn, there's a learn button below here. Learn, where you learn everything you need to know about Bamboo. You will learn it. Everything. See questions. After you sign up, what next? How to fund your Bamboo wallet? How do I buy stocks? How do I sell stocks? When do U.S. stock exchanges open and close? What type of investment options are available? Can I own more? See, you don't need to ask anybody any questions. You don't need to. All your questions are already answered within the application. You don't need to. Unless, of course, people who just decide to be lazy. There are some people who have this approach of the moment you tell them about an opportunity, you have already gotten yourself into problems. They will remain forever in your DMs, asking you questions that, if they took their time, they can find answers to. As for me, I don't have that luxury of time to hold an adult by the hand like a child and be spoon-feeding them information. So when I refer you to anything, just know that you have work to do. Because nobody held me by the hand and showed me anything. I found out by myself, out of my very tight schedule. And that is what I expect that you do too when I tell you about an opportunity. There's a link in the description of this video that will help you to get the Bamboo app, and your education starts immediately. Start learning. I'm not saying you shouldn't do Ponzi schemes, but when you are doing Ponzi schemes, be making money from those Ponzi schemes if you like, and of course be diversifying in something sustainable little by little. Victor does not talk about legit. Victor does not talk about legit. Are you interested in legit? All you want is 3% return on investment per day. You will enjoy it for 6 months. When it collapses, you start crying. Why don't you build sustainable income? And one thing is that a stock can do 1,200% in a matter of 6 months. Yeah, massive. You can make losses too, but over time, you will break even. This is how Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, made his money. All the richest men in the world, you see, they buy stocks, they invest in the stock markets, they buy shares of big-time multinationals, they co-own big-time multinationals. So depositing is very, very easy, okay? You use your MasterCard or you do transfer. Anyhow, you pay in Naira. It's just quite very, very, very easy, okay? Now look at the Apple stock here. Look at the Apple stock here. There is a buy button here. The market has closed, but there's a buy button here. When you click on it, they even give you options. Do you want to buy now? Or do you want to buy when price decreases? Or you want to buy when price increases? Everything is done for you. Now let's say I want to buy now. Okay, you'll see they have $156 per share. $156 per share. Now, my buying power as at the time of making this video is just $20. Now, like I told you guys, it's not as if, the price of one unit is 156, so I cannot buy for a lower amount. There are micro units. You can buy at any amount. Okay? So, just type in the amount you want to buy. $20. You see, the micro unit has appeared. 0.127763 shares. It is when you are now buying at the original price of 1 unit that when you now put that particular amount, they will now say you have bought 1 unit. But you can buy the units, you can buy micro units. And it continues to appreciate. You don't have to have all the money to buy one. Now, let us click on preview buy. You see? Look at the shares. Look at the estimated amount. Okay? Look at the commission that they charged. Okay? See the order summary. You are placing a good for the day market order to buy, of the Apple stock, Very easy. Click on buy. Say you are about to place a buy order when the market is closed. Your order will be executed at market price once the market opens in 6 hours, 40 minutes, 10 seconds by 2:30 p.m. As at the time of making this video is 7:49 a.m. Okay? Do you want to place this order? I click on yes. You see? How difficult is this? Order placed. Your buy market order for 0.125846 shares of Apple for $19.70 was successfully submitted. You can check the status of this order on Bamboo. Simple. So if you are watching this video with an iPhone, I am one of the owners of the company that produced your phone. I can even come and collect that phone from you now. Yes, now, because you can see now, this is not lies. I'm a shareholder with Apple. Okay, thanks. Do this. Wash, rinse, repeat. Wash, rinse, repeat. In the next 5 years, you start chilling with the big boys. Do Ponzi if you like, but Ponzi won't last. This one will last, okay? Check in the description of this video. You will see a way for you to get started on Bamboo. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and you learned something. And of course, please subscribe and you guys may counterpunch. Till I see you in the next video, it is bye for now.